Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my review of the MSI Modern 14 Ultrabook. So without any further ado, let's get started. The MSI Modern 14 is a new Ultrabook from MSI, and it is the newer generation of the Modern series of laptops. This is a laptop that comes in at various different price ranges with its different models, but here I'll be having the cheapest and most interesting variant of the laptop, which is the $650 one with an i3 CPU. This is also a very different laptop from what you usually see from MSI, and it is much more of a regular laptop that anyone can go for. I did a review of an older variant of this laptop a while ago and gave it a very positive rating, so let's see how this new variant fares up against the laptops that are out now. In this review, I'll mostly be focusing on these main categories, including build quality and design, port selection and input, keyboard and trackpad, sound, display, performance, thermals and battery life. These are the main components of a laptop, and we'll start off with the build and design. The MSI Modern 14 is a thin and light laptop that has a full aluminum build that feels very premium. It is a visually appealing laptop that has a matte look with a subtle approach. It comes in black and white, and both colors look clean with the design. In terms of design, there isn't anything new here, and it also takes a few parts from the Asus VivoBook laptops with their display hinge design of lifting the laptop up whenever the screen is opened. Rigidity and toughness is an area where the Modern 14 could have been a bit better because it does bend and flex a bit while applying pressure, and it gives you less confidence on how strong it is. However, one area where the laptop absolutely shines is in its weight and size. This is probably one of the smallest and lightest laptops for its screen size, weighing in at only 1.3 kilos and being only 17mm thick. This is excellent for a laptop and even beats some larger tablets. Overall, design-wise, I'm more than satisfied here, and it is a laptop that you can take everywhere. Port selection and input on the laptop is decent. You get two USB 3.1 ports, a Thunderbolt port, a HDMI port, a micro SD card slot, a headphone microphone combo jack and power in. This is expected out of a thin laptop, and if nothing, it is still better than the majority of Ultrabooks. The keyboard and trackpad on the laptop are great. The keyboard is a regular chiclet keyboard with white backlighting, and it does its job well. It has precise tactile feedback, and you can type on this without having many errors. The trackpad is also almost perfect and is more than good enough for casual users. Sound quality wise, the speakers on this are fine and are usable for the most part. They are quite loud and have average bass and treble, but overall, I see that they are nothing too special. They are good for laptop speakers, but overall, I see that you should still be using headphones with this laptop. The display on the Modern 14 is another huge plus point for it. It is a 14-inch Full HD IPS panel that offers accurate colors and contrast, great sharpness, and good viewing angles. The panel on this is quite bright and is really nice to look at. It is one of the better displays on laptops I've seen, and it is a really good experience watching movies and videos, and is very much usable for editing as well. The performance of the MSI Modern 14 is actually surprisingly good for its price. Its specs include an Intel Core i3 1115G4 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB NVMe SSD, and the Intel Iris Xe graphics. For $650 on an Ultrabook, these are actually some decent specs that will allow you to do most regular work with ease. The new i3 is the best part here, along with its much improved integrated graphics that allow you to do more work with its graphics card and be able to play lighter games here and there. Also, if you aren't editing videos or photos with too many effects on, this is also a great starting editing laptop that handles most of those things well, and editing software runs smoothly. The Intel Core i3 here does underperform a little bit compared to how it should perform, but it isn't a massive difference and doesn't make a difference in regular workload. Overall, the specs on this are good, and the performance that the laptop offers should be more than sufficient for most of this laptop's target audience. The thermals on this are also good, and usually for laptops like this, it never is an issue. That said, the Modern 14 runs cool and quiet even while gaming, and there is no issue with the thermals of the laptop. Battery life on this is also solid and does not disappoint. The laptop lasts for an average of around 8 to 9 hours on a full charge, and even though it has a smaller battery, these results are great, and as an Ultrabook, this was one thing that had to be good here. So the final verdict for the MSI Modern 14 is that this could very well be one of the best Ultrabook options to go for if you are on a low to mid-range budget. It offers everything you would want from an Ultrabook, like a light build, a good display, and good battery life. Paired with that, you also get some decent performance here, and that all makes up for a complete laptop that anyone can go for. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.